Hello friends, welcome to Technical Learning Points, and now I'm going to make a video in PAS, and in this video I will explain how we can increase the JVM heap memory, right? So let's see. Before increasing heap memory, so we have to know some parameter like. So XMX basically means the minimum, and max mean maximum memory. Okay, so whenever we create any default JVM node agent and DMGR, so always minimum memory is defined at the 50 MB, and maximum memory is defined 50 to 56 MB. Okay, so generally this by default memory is allocated to the JVM. Okay, so in real time environment, we need to give the as per application requirement memory. Okay, based on load and transaction, right? So now we want to increase memory. Okay, so I am going to give 100 MB minimum and 356 MB as a maximum memory. Okay, so let's see. First I will show you. So as you guys can see, I have two server. Okay, server 1, yeah, server 1. This is in localhost node 02 and localhost node 01. So now you guys can see here it should be it's so one second. Yeah, so here this is the XMS50M, XMX256M. Okay, and same for this JVM, right? So let's log into the console. So guys, I'm managing my environment through the admin agent. Okay, so that's why here three nodes are showing. One node for admin agent and two another node are for the standalone application server. Okay, so I'm going to increase JVM heap for the localhost node 01. Okay, so let's click continue, login, server type, the website application server. Okay, now click to into the server. Yes, so come to the down. So this is the option under server infrastructures. There is a option Java and process management. Okay, under Java process management, click in process definition, and after that we have another links under additional property, that is the Java virtual machine. So click here. So now we can see here it's showing initial heap size, maximum heap size, but it's not showing any memory. Okay, so it's showing blank. Okay, because by default it take like means it not showing any memory, whatever memory is aligned to the JVM, so it is not showing anything. So let's give it to the 100 and 356. Okay, now click apply, review, and save. Okay, so now we can see memory is the 100 and 356. Okay, and let me again check through the putty. So still it is showing for node 01 I have increased the memory, so it's showing still 50 to 56 because we need to restart the JVM after increasing the heap memory. Okay, so after that it will reflect. So I have clicked to the restart. So wait for 1 minute. So within 1 minute it will restart, and after that we can see minimum memory and maximum memory. Now it's stopped, and very soon it will initiate to restart. Mm, yeah, so now the server is restarted, and let me again yeah, so let me for oh yeah, so you can see for localhost node 01, so our what is the memory, xms 100 MB and xmx 356 MB, right? So this way we can increase the JVM heap memory, right? So guys, please subscribe my channel, and please comment and give any suggestion. Okay, yeah, thank you.